Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English through Passage. In this video, we have taken a passage from the best-selling book The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This is the part 3. Passage name is How to Use This Book. So now let's begin. Before we begin work on the 7 habits of highly effective people, I would like to suggest two paradigms shifts that will greatly increase the value you will receive from this material. First, I would recommend that you not see this material as a book, in the sense that it is something to read once and put on a shelf. You may choose to read it completely through once for a sense of the whole, but the material is designed to be a companion in the continual process of change and growth. It is organized incrementally and with suggestions for application at the end of each habit so that you can study and focus on any particular habit as you are ready. As you progress to deeper levels of understanding and implementation, you can go back time and again to the principles contained in each habit and work to expand your knowledge, skill, and desire. Second, I would suggest that you shift your paradigm of your own involvement in this material from the role of learner to that of teacher. Take an inside out approach and read with the purpose in mind of sharing or discussing what you learn with someone else within 48 hours after you learn it. If you had known, for example, that you would be teaching the material on the PYPC balance principle to someone else within 48 hours, would it have made a difference in your reading experience? Try it now. As you read the final section in this chapter, read as though you are going to teach it your spouse, your child, a business associate, or a friend today or tomorrow. While it is still fresh, and notice the difference in your mental and emotional process. I guarantee that if you approach the material in each of the following chapters in this way, you will not only better remember what you read, but your perspective will be expanded, your understanding deepened, and your motivation to apply the material increased. In addition, as you openly, honestly share what you are learning with others, you may be surprised to find that negative labels or perceptions others may have of you tend to disappear. Those you teach will see you as a changing, growing person and will be more inclined to be helpful and supportive as you work, perhaps together, to integrate the 7 habits into your lives. Vocabulary. Recommend means purpose. Recommend means propose, advocate, suggest. Companion means fellow, associates, partner. Incrementally means in regular increases, stages. Implementation implementation means execution. Emotional means sentimental. Perspective means possibility, probability. Expanded means extended, detailed. Perception means feeling, realization, sensibility. Integrate means link, attach, united. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel.